In 1936, a young man named John started working at a small printing press. He was not extraordinary. He did not have any fancy degree or any unique talent. But John had one secret: his habits. Fast forward 20 years, John became the owner of this press, turning it into a multi-million dollar business. What was his secrets? Let's find out. Think about Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding father of the USA. Every evening, he asked himself one question: what good have I done today? Franklin's routine of reflecting and planning helped him balance science, politics, and writing. Today, career experts say this habit increased productivity by 30%. Imagine waking up knowing exactly what you need to do. No anxiety, no wasted time. People like Elon Musk use this method to break down their workday into small actionable tasks. Studies show that people who plan their day are 2x more likely to achieve their goals. It's a simple habit but a game changer. In the 1990, Bill Gates started his famous Think Week, a week dedicated entirely to read and learning. Those seasons sparked ideas that lead to innovation like Windows and the modern PC. Today, professionals who dedicated just 15 minutes a day to learn skills like AI, data analysis, or public speaking report higher job satisfaction and faster career growth. According to LinkedIn's workforce report, professionals who acquire one new skills every 6 months are 50% more likely to be promoted within 2 years. Let's go back to 1914. Henry Ford and Thomas Edison meet at a business gathering. That meeting sparked a lifelong friendship that led to numerous collaborations, including ideas that transform the automobile industry. In today's world, networking happens on platforms like LinkedIn. I know someone who landed their dream job just by reaching out to a hiring manager with a simple message: I love what your company is doing and I would like to contribute. Did you know that 85% of job positions are filled through networking? Your network is more valuable than your resume. The Greek philosopher Herophilus once said, when health is absent, wisdom cannot reveal itself. This truth holds today, especially in our fast paced world. Steve Jobs was a big advocate of walking meetings, believing that physical movements spark creativity. Research supports this, showing that even a 20-minute walk boosts cognitive functions by 40%. Harvard studies show that regular exercise reduces stress by 60%, directly impacting your work performance. In 1519, Ferdinand Magellan set out to navigate the globe. He does not just sail blindly, he adjusts his course daily, analyzing weather patterns and navigational tools. That's how he achieved something that seemed impossible. Imagine treating your career like a ship. Every Sunday, sit down and ask what worked, what did not. This practice can save you from repeating mistakes. People who reflect weekly are 20% more likely to meet their quarterly goals, according to a study by the University of Scotland. So, let's recap. Plan your day, never stop learning, build connections, take care of your health, and reflect often. Remember, John from our opening story, he did not succeed overnight. It was the daily grind, the small habits that made him a legend. Success is equal to constant habit into time. Now it's your turn. Start with one habit today. Which one will it be? Let me know in the comments.